This is question 6 from the 2022 reserve paper for A2 Pure from CCEA. So let's take a look at what we're doing. Prove that this equals this. So this is a trig identity. And I'm going to start here with the left hand side and see if we can just kind of tidy it up a bit and see where we go. So what's jumping out at me here? There's a double angle there and there's a double angle there. The sine one's nice and easy. There's only one option. So my bottom line, so as I say, I'm starting with the left hand side, and my bottom line then is going to be 2 sine theta cos theta minus sine theta. The top one I've more of a decision then to do. So the cos 2 theta minus cos theta minus 1, it's kind of hard to know, but I guess, so there's 3 different options then for this. But I'm going to use the one with the minus 1. There's one with minus 1, and it just means that's going to cancel out. I don't know why, I think it'll just make life easier, but I think it does. So I'm going to change this for 2 cos squared theta minus 1 minus cos theta plus 1. And it means then those 2 things are going to cancel out. What can we do here? 2 cos squared theta minus cos theta. Well, I can factorize out a cos theta. So cos theta upon 2 cos theta minus 1. And then on the bottom line, I can factorize it as sine. So sine theta upon 2 cos theta minus 1. And would you look at that? Those 2 things then kind of cancel out. So we have cos theta over sine theta, and that's then like 1 over tan, because remember tan is sine over cos, so cos over sine then is going to be 1 over tan, which then is cot theta, which then is our right hand side. Part B is solve the equation tan theta minus 45 equals 6 tan theta between 0 and 360. So this here is going to be our compound angle formula, so we need to kind of set it up in that way, and then we'll try and work out where we'll go then from there. So we're going to go tan theta minus tan 45 all over 1 plus tan theta tan 45. So that's me using the compound angle formula for this, and that equals then 6 tan theta. Now there's something nice about this, because tan of 45, if you check that in your calculator, if you don't already know, that's just a 1. So this tidies up to give me tan theta minus 1 all over 1 plus tan theta equals 6 tan theta. Now we're getting somewhere. I can then go tan theta minus 1 is 6 tan theta plus 6 tan squared theta. So I've kind of done a couple of different lines there. I hope you're good with this. I've multiplied through by that to give me 6 tan theta, and then the 6 tan theta times that ends up giving us that. I now look like I have a quadratic with tan, so it's going to be 6 tan squared theta plus 5 tan theta plus 1 equals 0. And some people then kind of, well, let's actually change it out. So I'm going to let tan theta equal x. So I have 6x squared plus 5x plus 1 equals 0. And we factorize that quadratic, which is going to give me 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1. And that gives me x is minus a third, and x is minus a half. That means I have tan theta, which is minus a third, and I have tan theta, which is minus a half. And I'm going to do then my cast diagram then for each of those. So I'm between 0 and 360, so that's nice and straightforward. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. I sometimes kind of find my basic angle depending on what you're looking for, but it's CAST. So I find that angle there, and then I look for the ones that I'm looking for. So I want that one there, and I want that one there. So because I want where tan is negative, so I need to find that angle there, and I need to find that angle there. If you put those into your calculator, you get 162, and you get 342, because the other one comes out, I think, to be 18, I think, on this side. Doing it exactly the same thing effectively here for minus a half, 0, 90, 180, 270, sorry, 360, CAST, and again we want this one here, and we want this one here, and those angles come out to be then 153 and 333. So my four solutions then for theta is 153, 162, 333, 342.